Congratulations, Llongyfarchiadau, on the award of your University of South Wales doctorate.
I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for the successful completion of your PhD. It is a major achievement, and do take a moment to pat yourself on your back for how far you have come.
I'd like to extend a very warm and triumphant congratulations to all those who have received their doctorate, their PhDs, and the new doctors at the University of South Wales.
To me, getting a PhD was all about furthering myself and pushing myself, particularly as a woman in science. I'm now developing a special blend of tea to tackle antimicrobial resistance, and I've also just been offered my first permanent industry job. So having a PhD definitely helps you take your career to the next level. So yeah, well done on your huge achievement, and all the best for your future research career also.
Congratulations, class of 2020 from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. We're very proud of what you have achieved, and keep in mind that you are graduating from a university that has alumni all over the world. Get ready to write your own story, and do not forget to believe in yourselves.
Hello from Borneo, and huge congratulations to you, the doctorate graduates of 2020 at the University of South Wales. My message is one of travel. I currently teach English to Chinese workers at the oil refinery you see behind me, having previously worked in Australia and Turkey. You've equipped yourselves with the highest of skills to go anywhere in the world to pursue your career, so go and do it. All the best.
I recall the immense pride and relief that I felt on completing my thesis and being awarded the title of doctor. I have since realised that although I became something of an expert in my particular field of study, more importantly, I learned to think differently, to challenge almost everything presented as fact, particularly important in today's climate.
My name is Rupert Owen. I'm an author. I completed my Ymchwil in writing at the University of South Wales. It was a challenging but rewarding process, and I think well done for you for having gotten through all that time alone in front of a screen or with a pencil and a pad. You've done very, very well.
Be kind, respectful, open-minded, stay humble, keep learning, and don't let anyone or anything to stop you from making your dreams come true.
I was a theatre practitioner for close to 10 years before deciding to embark on my PhD and switch career to higher education. In the last 8 years since I got my PhD, I've taken on both faculty leadership roles and professorial roles in universities in Malaysia, Italy, and Hong Kong. Now, this year has been an unusual and difficult year for many. However, I always believe that with adversities come opportunities. So do continue to elaborate on your research in association with the new norms brought about by the pandemic. Once again, happy graduation and all the best.
My PhD instilled in me a sense of curiosity which has changed me forever and has inspired me to develop new research streams within business and management. It has changed my life, and I'm sure it will change yours too.